What's up everyone, my name is Kunchi from Cooking with Kunchi, and today we have part 2 in the series with the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro. Now, if you have not seen the first one in the series, make sure you go into the description and click on the other video that is the first one in the series, and I'm also going to put it in the info cards up above. Alright, this is also going to be at the end of the video so you can follow the series all the way through. Now, setting up the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco for low and slow is also available in my book, Wrangling Fire. It's linked in the description. You can go up on Amazon and just search Wrangling Fire and you will find that book. Alright, so stay tuned. Part 2. Make sure you're subscribed to the page. Follow some more. This out, I'm going to show you another trick with the Bronco. If you got your Bronco going and it's been 20 minutes and you're not seeing the temp moving, here's what you should do. Pop that lid open, baby. Give it about 5 minutes with the lid wide open and you're gonna hear that fire starting to go. Then you're gonna shut it back down and then you're gonna watch your thermometer starting to climb. It's just been 3 minutes. Now we have a fire. Now our smoker is ready again to work. Now fear not, once you shut this smoker down, that fire is going to die down because it has such restricted airflow, no heat leakage. You are going to get great performance. So don't freak out if you see the fire getting high like that. But now the thermometer is moving and we're ready for business. No matter what pit we on, smoke's gonna be clean, baby. Another Bronco tip 101. Check this out. So in order to get full control of your fire, you want to do this step here. When you are within 50 degrees of where you want to be, start dialing back your vents. So now we're sitting at 200. We want to pull this all the way back down to 1. This is going to keep us between 225 and 250 the whole time. And I, on the other hand, is going to get to go to bed and sleep comfortably and probably sleep 6 to 8 hours and not have to worry about my temperature going too hot. So when you're using a drum smoker, you want to make sure before you get to that perfect temp that you want, start dialing back. You cannot wait until you get there now to try to stop it, because you don't have a switch for that fire, right? You're using air and just a little bit of time. Okay, so make sure you premeditate where that thing is going to go. 25 to 50 degrees off, start backing down. Once you set it like that, never have to mess with it again. This is a big fat butt. Today, we're gonna smoke a big fat butt with some jerk seasoning. I think this is about 12 pounds. Every time I'm doing a pork butt, I start with the sides. So I'm using the wet jerk marinade, not a binder, it's a marinade. Oh yeah, this is gonna be spicy. There we go, hit it with the dry rub. Homemade jerk marinade and my homemade jerk seasoning. Those videos are on my page, so you can go check them out. They're there for free. They're on my website for free. Go check it out and make it yourself. After I'm done with the edges, I'm going to do the meat side. I'm going to score the fat cap. You don't have to score the fat cap if you don't want to. But I'm going to tell you why I do it. Not only does it allow more seasoning to get into those cracks and crevices, not only does it allow your meat to not shrink up because the fat is going to tighten, but whether you cut them in squares or diamonds, these little squares or diamonds right here, when they're cooked, are delicious little fat nuggets. And I love fat nuggets. That's one of the main reasons why I score my fat cap on a pork butt. I don't do that on a brisket because I typically smoke my briskets fat side down. My butts, I don't smoke them fat side down because that fat is not as thick as beef fat, and so it'll stick to your grates, man. I don't like that. I want to eat the fat. You know what to do with that big fat butt. Okay, Smokey? That's what we're gonna do with this butt. Stay tuned. That's how easy your grates get cleaned up when they are hot. Alright, so don't clean your grates when they're cold. Clean them when they're hot. So we have this big old butt on the smoker. We're going to shut this down and we're not going to look at this for another 6+ hours. Thank you guys for watching the full video, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you follow. We're gonna add the next video in this series right up here on the screen, so you guys can go ahead to the next video and check that out. As always, make sure you check for all the details in the description. Go check out my book, Wrangling Fire, up on Amazon. One love.